This is Kryll. The new era of trading is here. With Kryll, you can easily connect the biggest exchanges in crypto to one place and safely trade from the Kryll platform. No need to log into multiple accounts to make your trades. Kryll brings efficiency to your portfolio management. Kryll's state-of-the-art strategy editor lets you automate your trading with no coding experience needed. Use our drag and drop blocks to build your trading bot. Backtest your strategy and let your bot trade it live on your favorite exchange. Don't have a trading strategy? Well, you can rent some of the best performing trading bots in the world by renting one on the Kryll marketplace. Search and find the strategies that suit you and your risk profile. Simply click and let it run on your chosen pairs or portfolio. Use our smart trading terminal and trade like a pro. Set multiple take profits and stop losses with ease. Enter the new era of trading with Kryll and automate and optimize your crypto portfolio today.